Welcome back, friends. Formula for lime water CaOH twice. GST is a direct tax implemented from 1st July 2017. Headquarters of ICC, Dubai. When Indian National Congress founded, 1885. Chairman of SAIL, Anit Kumar Chaudhary. Who is the inspiration for Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana? Mahatma Gandhi. Highest peak of India is known as Kanchenjunga. Which of the following is not a browser? Google, because it's a search engine. GST means Goods and Service Tax. Author of Great Govinda is Jayadeva. Total number of high courts in India, 25. Who is the first president of India? Rajendra Prasad. In 1950. Python is a programming language. HLL expansion is high level language. What is Antrix? It's a commercial wing of ISRO. Which type of lens is used to correct myopia? Concave. What is the name of the largest country in South America? Brazil. Which river flows into the Arabian Sea? Dapti. Who is the governor of Telangana? Tamilisi Soundararajan. Where is Sukrishwar temple situated? Assam. Who is the Secretary General of UNO? Antonio Guterres. Sanchi Stupa is built by Ashoka. Which organ secreted bile juice? Liver. Who is the founder of Congress? A.O. Hume. What is the total number of members in SARC? 8. Headquarters of UNICEF, New York. Where is the Jim Corbett National Park located? Uttarakhand. In which states Kaveri River flows through? Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. World Environment Day, June 5. Headquarters of UNESCO, Paris in France. When was Cabinet Mission started? 1946. Capital of China is Beijing. pH value of lemon juice is above 2. Has C expand? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Where is Shershad Street Tomb located? Bihar. Which country is the World Environment Programme 2020 host country? Colombia. Intel Core i9 is a desktop processor. Name the Central Education Minister of India. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. In which state Jadguda mine is located? Jharkhand. Name of the RBI governor who is in charge at the time of demonetization? Urjit Patel. Which team is IPL 2020 winner? Mumbai Indians. Father of Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. Beriberi disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. When ISRO is established? 15th August 1969. Which is known as supersonic cruise missile? BrahMos. IBN Battutu is from which country? Morocco. Which are the articles of President? Article 52 to 62. Which is the birthplace of Gandhi? Porbandar. What is the theme of Earth Day 2020? Climate action. What is the theme of Earth Day 2018? Beating plastic pollution. Who discovered the cell? Robert Hooke. CM of Kerala? Pinarayi Vijayan. What are the examples of Footloose Industries? Computer. Humayun Nama written by Gulbadan Begum. Who is the father of local government in India? Lord Ribbon. Name the first supercomputer of India. Param 8000. Which day is known as Constitution Day? November 26. IPL 2020 winner is Mumbai Indians. Birbanjal Tunnel is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Expand HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? AB positive. Name the launch vehicle of Chandrayaan-2. GSLV Mach 3 M1. Capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Which is the largest freshwater lake by volume in the world? Lake Baikal. Who is the winner in Rajiv Gandhi Ghel Ratna Award 2020 for wrestling? Vignesh Bhogat. Which country topped the Human Development Index? Norway. The person Sean Courtney is related to? Film. Is actor. Sanji Stupa was observed as UNESCO's World Heritage Site from 1989. Pradhan Mandir Kaushal Vikas Yojana is related to skill development. In which year Vande Mataram slogan was introduced? 1896 Calcutta Session. Swaraj movement year is 1906. Name of the current governor of RBI? Shaktikanta Das. Where the Palghat Pass situated? Kerala. In 2017, ISRO sent how many satellites by a single launch vehicle? 104. In which Congress session Gandhiji was president? 1924 Belgaum session. Jadaga Khan was related to which religion? Buddhism. Members of SAARC: India, Nepal, Bhutan, Maldives, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Proton is discovered by Ernest Rutherford. Currency of Malaysia, Ringgit. When did the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gram Kaushalya Yojana start? 2014. Under which article does the money bill come under? 110. When was the Hindu University established? 1916. Full form of EPROM: Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. The first woman judge of Supreme Court? M. Fatima Bibi. What is found between cell membrane and the nucleus? Cytoplasm. Article for right to equality? 14. Unit of radioactivity? Curie. Planning Commission was set up in 1950 March 15.